Hello and welcome to the part two of how to create an ActiveX DLL from scratch for Microsoft Excel 32-bit. In this part, we will discuss the properties you need to set for your project in Visual Basic 6 in order to create a proper ActiveX DLL for to be imported in Excel. Okay, so as you can see, after we finish the Tafqeet.cls class, we open project, then properties, then we will make sure that we write the project name and we choose upgrade ActiveX control. Then in the threading model, we choose apartment threaded. Then in make button, we write the title, okay, and we fill the version information in all the way down to the product name. Then in the compile tab, we make sure we check compile to native code, optimize for fast code, in favor the name. Advanced optimization, we leave everything unchecked, and in the component, we make sure we check binary compatibility, and we write the project or we import it. Then we erase the full path, leaving only the project name or the DLL name. The debugging, we leave everything as it is. Then OK, then from file, save project as, and we make sure that all these settings has been applied to the project. Then from file again, we choose make the DLL